Good morning, Restoration Church. I'm very excited about this Sunday morning service, not only because we get to worship the God who loves and cares for us, but because we have a very special guest. A good friend of mine, his name is Nathan Moe, just agreed to join us and lead us in worship. I asked him several weeks ago if he'd be interested in something like this, and his response was basically, the timing couldn't have been more perfect. So, and the reason being is because God has been putting it on his heart to lead worship more often. And so God provided this way, and we get to reap the benefits of what God is doing in Nathan's heart. And so I'm very grateful for him. Be sure to leave comments in the comments section thanking him, because I will tag him in this post and he'll be able to see those comments. So please do that. When worshiping, please, it's not about how your vocals sound or what the instruments sound like. What it's about is where your heart is. So when you are joining Nathan in worship, allow your heart to speak to God, whether that be through singing loudly or whatever actions your body is doing. Let that honor him and glorify him in all that we're doing during worship. Let's fix our minds and ears and our eyes on him.
Hey everyone, my name is Nathan Moe, and I've actually known Elliot for a long time now. We grew up together, and he's a good friend of mine, and I'm so thankful to be able to just lead worship with you guys. And I pray that God is continuing to bless you, continuing to keep you safe and protected during this time. He is so good, and he is so worthy of our praise. So let's worship him together.
Stop us. And if our God is with us, then what could stand against? And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what could stand against? Then what could stand against? Our God is greater. surrounded, but I'm surrounded by you. This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. This is how I fight my battles. This is how. Lord, we thank you. You said, be still and know that I am God. Thank you, Lord, in the midst of the battle, in the midst of the storm, all we have to do is be still and know that you are God. Just like Jesus resting on the boat in the midst of the storm with the disciples, all we have to do is rest with you and trust that you have it all in your hands. You'll take care of the storm.